Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear first grader. We have work to do. I bet you didn't like the ending of that song. Hi, guys. I'm going to have you run and go grab your My Home Learning Packet because I want to do a little bit of reading and writing out of that today. So hurry, scurry, run, 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 run. Get your packet and get your hiney back here so that we can read it together. And then I'm going to read through the questions with you. We've done some other ones in here, and I'm going to follow those same directions. All right, are you ready? Here we go. I want you to flip, flip, flip until you get to comprehension check number 8. Okay? It's about ponds, and it's talking about the difference between a pond and a stream. Are you ready? All right, I'm going to read. You follow along and read with me. And remember, when we come to a word that we're not sure of, we do not give up. We look for vowel teams and blends, and we look to find chunks in that word that we know, even if it's something just like the word in, anything that we can get a bite on to help us figure the word out. Are you ready? Here we go. The pond is home to many different types of animals, insects, and plants. That wasn't so hard. Let's keep going. A pond is a small area of still, fresh water. Still. Oh, doesn't move. Standing still. A pond is different than a stream because there's no moving water at a pond. The water at a pond is also very shallow. At the pond, you will find animals that live above the water and below the water. Ducks, birds, snapping turtles, frogs, and beavers are just some of the animals that live above water. Tadpoles, water beetles, crayfish, and fish live below water at the pond. That was not so bad. Okay, I have 5 questions that I want you to answer. Number 1, let's read them together. What is a pond? We have to go back to our reading to find the answer to that. And I'm going to remind you how we did the first one of these about the earthworms, how I had you color the question, and then I had you go back and I had you highlight over the answer. We did that with the worms. We did it with Fred and his fast food. And I also want to do it that way for this one because I think it makes you a more careful question answerer when you go back and you find it. It slows you down a little bit, you spell words correctly, and it really makes you think about your answer. So, number 1, what is a pond? I need you to color your answer and your question to match. Number 2, how is a pond different than a stream? I know. Do you know? I bet you know. Number 3, name 2 animals that live above the water. They told us 5. I need you to find 2 for me. Number 4, name 2 animals that live below the water. Easy. And number 5, name another animal that might live at the pond. So this is a thinking kind of question. I need you to kind of sit back and think, pond. Animals at a pond. Please don't tell me a giraffe lives at a pond. Okay? Use your thinker and answer that last question for me. Now, you won't be able to color coordinate number 5 with anything back in the story because that one's coming from your head. Okay? After you've finished comprehension check 8, I want you to snap a picture for me and I want you to send it to me in Seesaw. All right? All right. Now, Go get 'em, team. Bye.